She spent 7 of her formative years studying at the IST International School of Tanganyika in Dar es Salaam. It was there that she discovered her calling of being a teacher after being influenced by her French teacher Ms Wamba. The Great Mentors warmly invites Dr Shunila Joy Chauhan, Principal, ORCHID the International School Mumbai. An educator by choice, Dr Shunila taught in well-recognized ICSE board schools where she found herself desirous of exploring an environment which offered greater liberty in content and teaching methodologies. She found herself drawn towards the Cambridge board, which offered more empowerment. Dr Shunila played key role in developing the curriculum. She also went on to handle academic operations and was responsible for Quality Assurance Guarantee, QAG. She was offered a leadership role which enabled her to mentor other teachers and shape the future of a world-class institute. She has always been keen that the young learners in her institute go on to become global citizens who are inquisitive, intelligent and intellectual in their approach towards their own lives in the world. Dr. Shunila has been conferred with many prestigious awards. The Shining Image of India by the Economic Growth Society of India. The Hun-D Lit from Germany in January 2020 by the International Peace University. Nation Builder Award by Rotary Club of India. Impact Awards by Career Beacon. International Corona Warrior Award by Anti-Corruption Foundation of India. Dr. Shunila strongly believes in the empowerment of women through education and breaking down of orthodox barriers which act as a stumbling block to their growth and achieving their full potential. She firmly believes in speaking out against injustice and everything that disrespects women in society. She enjoys volunteering to teach women and children from vulnerable backgrounds. The happiness in the eyes of women who write their name for the first time in their lives is priceless. Being a global Goodwill ambassador, she stands firmly against any kind of child abuse. She enjoys taking the musical program, My Body is My Body, to students where they learn how to say no to any kind of wrong touch.